Hi, I'm Leeza Gibbons from the TV show Extra. I wanted to take some time out today to tell you about something that I find tremendously important. When I first heard the Greenwald story, I could not believe that something like this could happen in the 21st century. I mean, the entire world is a mouse click away, yet a hospital didn't remember to phone a patient's family for over a week? I guess it really shouldn't have surprised me, though, because I've done so many stories about medical tragedies over the years on my talk show. And I'm always touched by the tremendous impact they have on the patients' families. And that's why I'm so glad that I can be a part of Janet and Laura's legislative efforts and support the next of kin bill. Every day on the news, we hear about our government's efforts to either try to cut down on medical errors or to protect patients' rights. Well, this bill will accomplish both. When an unconscious patient comes into an emergency room, he can't tell the doctor anything about his medical history, about the prescriptions he's been taking, the surgery he's had, or the medications he's allergic to. But in most cases, his family can. And that's what the next of kin bill is all about. It will require the hospital to call the unconscious patient's family or emergency contact so that they will be able to provide a medical history and make critical decisions until the patient is able to do so for himself. After all, it's a patient's right to have his next of kin or his chosen decision maker contacted and allowed to make those decisions. What this bill does is set brief guidelines and a specific time frame for that notification. It must be done within 24 hours. Right now, there is no law, no regulation, nothing forcing medical people to do this except that it is the right thing to do. And as somebody's mother, as somebody's daughter, as somebody's wife, it scares me and it would break my heart to think that someone I love could be alone, could be unconscious, incapacitated, could be sick or dying without me knowing about it, without me being there, and without me being on site to fight every way that I could for that loved one's rights. Janet and Laura, I'm so proud of you. I'm so excited about the possibilities for this next of kin bill, and I encourage all of you to do what you can to make it a reality.